Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Today we are going to learn Standard 10th entire Sanskrit. Lesson number 3, Sukti Sudha. This lesson compulsory for by heart all the Subhashitas included in here. So let us start with the introduction. Suktayah nama suvachanani. Sukti means a good saying. Su means good and ukti is a saying. So sukti means a good saying. Suktinam patanena vakchaturyam varthate. Learning good sayings enhance eloquence in speech. सुक्तीनां प्रयोगः लेखने भाषणे च प्रभावं जनयति. Janayati means to create. The use of good sayings in writing and speech makes it impressive. Uktameva. The somebody saying that Khinnam chapi subhashitena ramate swiyam manah sarvata. श्रुत्वान्यस्य सुभाषितं खलु मनः श्रोतुं पुनर्वाञ्छति. अज्ञानज्ञातवतोऽप्यनेन हि वशीकर्तुं समर्थो भवेत्. कर्तव्यो हि सुभाषितस्य मनुचैरावश्यकः संग्रहः. This means, though a person is sad or dejected, one's mind always derive pleasure from somebody's nice to hear. On hearing somebody else good saying, the mind wishes to hear it again and again. It would be possible to win over the ignorant as well as the learned with a good saying. So, one should always make a collection of good saying. Now we start to read Subhashitas one by one. The first Subhashit. Vidyanam narasya rupam adhikam prachanna guptam dhanam. Vidya bhogakari yasha sukhakari vidya gurunam guruhu. Vidya bandhujano videsha gamane vidya paramam devatam. Vidya rajasu puchyate natu dhanam vidya vihinah pashuhu. This Subhashita is taken from the book named Niti Shatak. Sandhi Vigraha. First, Rupam Adhikam. Rupam plus Adhikam. Second, Bandhujano Videsha Gamane. Bandhujanaha plus Videsha Gamane. Then Shabdarthaha, meaning of the some words. Adhikam means best, Gamane going, Bandhujan relative, Bhogakari causes enjoyment or allows enjoyment, Rupam beauty, Vihinaha without. Now we see the translation of the Subhashitas regarding their sentences which are showing in Anvayas. So first I read the sentence which are given in the Anvayas with translation. Vidyanam narasya adhikam rupam. Knowledge is man's best beauty. Prachanna guptam dhanam. Secret hidden wealth. Vidya bhogakari yashah sukhakari cha. Knowledge allows enjoyment and causes success and comfort. Vidya gurunam guruhu. Knowledge is the preceptor of preceptors. Videsha gamane vidya bandhu janaha. Knowledge is a relative while going to a foreign place. Vidya param daivatam. Knowledge is the ultimate deity. Vidya rajasu pujyate natu dhanam. knowledge and not wealth is worshipped among kings. विद्याविहीनः पशुः एव. Indeed, a person without knowledge is an animal. Next, second Subhashita. निन्दन्तु नितिनिपुना यदि वा स्तुवन्तु लक्ष्मीः समाविशतु गच्छतु वा यथेष्टम् अद्यैव वा मरणमस्तु युगान्तरे वा न्यायात् पतः प्रविचलन्ति पदं न धीराः. These Subhashitas also taken from the Niti Shatak. Now we read the Sandhi Vigraha. Niti Nipuna Yadi. Niti Nipunaha plus Yadi. Addeva. Adya plus Eva. Maranam Astu. Maranam plus Astu. Nyayat Pataha. Nyayat plus Pataha. Shabdarthaha meanings. Adya means today. Nindantu may criticize. Nyayat from writers. Pravichalanti waver. Yatheshtham as per will. Yugantare in another age. Samavishatu may stay. Stuvantu may praise. Translation with Anvay. Yadi niti nipunaha nindantu stuvantu va. Even though those experts in ethics criticize or praise, Lakshmihi samavishatu yatheshtam gacchatu va. Prosperity means goddess of wealth Lakshmi may stay on or go as per will. Maranam atya eva astu yugantare va. Death may be today itself or in another age. Tathapi dhiraha nyayat pathaha padam na pravichalanti. Yet the courageous do not waver even a step from the righteous path. Okay, now turn towards the next Subhashita. This is taken from Panchatantra. Atmano mukhadoshena badhyante shukasarikaha bakastatra na badhyante maunam sarvartha sadhanam. Then Sandhi Vigraha. Atmano mukhadoshena. Atmanah plus mukhadoshena. Bakastatra. Bakaha plus tatra. Now we see the Shabdarthaha. Bakaha cranes. Badhyante cage or cot. Mukhadosh talkativeness. Maunam silence. Shuka parrot. Sarvartha all objectives or freedom. Sarika Maina. Translation with Anvay. Shukasarikaha atmanaha mukhadoshena badhyante. Parrots and mainas are caged due to the fault of their own mouth. Tatra bakaha na badhyante. While there the cranes are not caged. Maunam sarvartha sadhanam. Silence is the means to all objectives, like freedom. Okay students, here we completed our 3 Subhashitas with translation, Anvay Lekhan and Sandhi Vigraha. And remaining Subhashitas we will learn in next videos. Now we see the question and answers related with these 3 Subhashitas. About first Subhashitas, we see here question number 1. Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhatam. Write answer in brief in Sanskrit language. Second question, Melanam Kuruta, Visheshanam with Visheshya. So question number 3, Chala Rekha Chitram Purayat. Complete the sentence with given related topic. Question number 4, Chayanam Kuruta. Choose the proper word and complete the sentence. Now we see the question and answers related with third Subhashitas. The first question, Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhatam. And second, about Rekha Chitram, they ask Stamba Puranam Kuruta. Fill the column with given proper sentence related to this topic. Okay students, now write these 3 Subhashitas in your notebook in proper way. By heart these Subhashitas and revise it very well. Thank you so much.